Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP strings and variables section. This is creating variables. Let's look at an example of creating a variable. Here we have my name and it's assigned I'll never tell. In the code above, we're actually doing two things with a single statement. We're declaring a new variable by giving it the name my name. We're also assigning it the value I'll never tell. The variable my name now holds the string I'll never tell. To declare a variable, we use the $sign character followed by our chosen variable name. The $sign is known as a sigil. It's a character that allows the computer to see quickly that something is a variable. To assign it a value, we use another operator, the assignment operator, which is the equal sign, followed by the value we're assigning to the variable. Though it can occasionally be useful to separate these actions, we'll most often be declaring and assigning variables at the same time. Here we have my example is assigned my value. Here the $sign is the sigil. Then we have the variable name, my example. We have the assignment operator and we're assigning it the variable value of my value. In PHP, variable names can contain numbers, letters, and underscores, but they have to start with either a letter or an underscore. Variable names are case sensitive, meaning that PHP will treat the variables, my example and my example, as two different variables. One common convention when naming PHP variables is to use an underscore between words on variable names with more than one word in their name. This is known as snake case. Here we have an example, favorite food, and we use the underscore to connect both our words. Let's create some variables. Instructions. Create a variable and assign it to a string value. You can give the variable any valid name you'd like and assign a string containing anything you want. End the statement with a semicolon. Let me zoom out and do that. Let's run it. We pass. 2 says declare a variable biography and assign to it a string that starts with a new line character and contains a sentence or two about you. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We forgot to assign the new line character. Let's do that here. Run it again. We pass. 3 says create a variable, favorite food, and assign to it the string new line character and tur, duck, and in concatenated. Let's do that here. Run it, and we do pass. So here we're learning how to create variables, and these variables, name, biography, and favorite food, are going to hold these values in memory, and we'll be able to access them. Like if we go here, let's do that now. We can do, let's try that. We do get hello Jose, and that is using concatenation and our variable. So as long as you're understanding that we're able to create variables, assign them values, and call them again later in our code, then you're understanding how creating variables works in PHP. Once you feel comfortable with that, I'll see you in the next lesson.